Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video we're gonna check out the numbers from 30 to 40 in Austrian German. So let's get started. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn to count from 30 to 40 in Standard and in Austrian German. So let the count begin. We start with 30. 30 is the word for dreißig. Many Austrians will say dreißg. The next numbers are a bit more difficult to build, therefore we're gonna take a closer look at them. First of all, 31 is built like this. 1 and 30 in Standard German einunddreißig is einunddreißig. Let's repeat. 31 is einunddreißig. In the West, Austrians say oanadreißg and in the East, anadreißg. 32 is zweiunddreißig. In the western parts of Austria, people gonna use the term dreißg and in the eastern parts, dreißg. 33 means dreiunddreißig. And in most Austrian accents you will come across dreißg. The number 34 is vierunddreißig in Standard German, and in Austria you often hear vierunddreißg. 35 means 35. Using Austrian accent it is called fünfunddreißig. The word for 36 is 36. And many people will say sechsunddreißig. 37 is 37 in Standard German, and in Austria you will come across the term 37. The number 38 means 38, and most of the time you're gonna hear 38. The number 39 means 39 in Standard German, and in Austria people use einunddreißg. Finally, 40 is the word for 40, and many Austrians use the term vierzig. Thanks a lot for watching, please subscribe and see you in the next tutorial.